Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually group together shapes on Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft has a really cool feature where if you combine different shapes together, you can actually group them and then move them as one. So you're not having to select 4 or 5 different shapes at the same time and then move them all together. So a perfect example is this target looking icon that I built that doesn't exactly look like a target, but you guys get what I was going for. So I have let's count the shapes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shapes just stacked on top of each other. Now, it would make sense for me to go ahead and group these because these were intended to be built as one shape. I intended to build a target. So what I need to do is I have to go ahead and select all of them. So I'm just going to hold left click, and I'm going to go ahead and select all of them. And right now, I could move it around and do what I would like to do, but it's not as easy as you might think, because if this is like grouped in within the paragraphs, I may not be able just to hold left click and select them. I may end up selecting surrounding paragraphs and icons and shapes and you name it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and group them. So I have it all selected right now. I'm going to come over here to the shape format option on my ribbon, come over here to the group option, and I'm going to go ahead and select group. So let's go ahead and select that. And you can see now I can go ahead and I can move this as one shape. So it's no longer 5 different shapes, it is one shape. But the cool part about this is even though it is one shape, at least it's grouped together as a shape, I can actually still select options, within that shape. So let me go ahead and select it. So you can see now it has the whole thing selected. But if I go ahead and select maybe this outer ring, I could still select that as well, and I could still make changes to it. So I won't impact every single shape within it. I could still specify individual shapes within the grouping and make changes to it that way.